Welcome again to Refreshing Careers. Today's topic is Central Bank's Evolution. This topic comes under the first module of central banking, and this has been covered in the form of some important question and answers. The first question is: what is the primary stimulus for establishing central banks? And the answer is war financing. War finance was the primary consideration for constitution of many of the earlier central banks. For the purpose of financing of wars, they required a bank, and this purpose was served mostly by the central banks during the 20th century. The next question is: why in most countries central banks were given monopoly of note issue? Monopoly of note issue was given because when there was no monopoly, it led to the erosion of the internal and the external value of money, which made it necessary for it to be done. In the next one, we need to fill in the blanks, and the sentence is: central banks maintain a dash external value of currency, termed as dash. The answer is: central banks maintain a stable external value of currency, termed as exchange rate. That means central banks maintain a stable exchange rate. In emerging economies, central banks prefer using rules or discretion, and the answer is discretion. Emerging economies means developing countries or developing economies, and in such economies, it's important to not follow just the rules, but because the situation varies, there is more importance of discretion. That's why discretion is given more importance. Which is the oldest central bank of the world? Swedish Riksbank is the world's oldest central bank. Bank of England was founded under dash of United Kingdom in 1694, and the answer is Royal Charter. Bank of England was founded under the Royal Charter of UK in 1694. The next question is: what is the central banking system of USA known as? The central banking system of US is known as the Federal Reserve or the Federal Reserve System, or it is known as Fed. Name the authority created by UK when it felt that supervisory authority should be outside the realm of central banks. When UK government felt that the supervisory authority should be different from the central bank, then it created Financial Services Authority, and FSA was given supervisory powers, and it did not rest with central bank. Next question is: after Second World War, Bundesbank in Germany was allowed to impose dash on the banks, and the answer is cash reserve ratio. After the Second World War, Bundesbank in Germany was allowed to impose cash reserve ratio on the banks. What are the three key objectives of the Federal Reserve Act? The three key objectives of the Federal Reserve Act were: the first one is maximizing employment, second one is stabilizing prices, and the third is moderating long-term interest rates. What are the two mandates of the Federal Reserve Act that are referred to as dual mandate? The dual mandate of the Federal Reserve Act is maximizing employment and stabilizing prices. It also forms part of the objectives. Lender of last resort function is associated with the problem of moral hazard. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like and subscribe it.